Meaning of drawback.
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 Drawback. Drawback refers to a disadvantage or negative aspect of a particular situation or decision. It is something that may hinder progress or cause problems. Drawbacks can be found in various areas such as business, education, politics, and personal life. They can arise from poor planning, unforeseen circumstances, or inherent flaws in a system. It is essential to identify drawbacks in any situation to make informed decisions and take necessary steps to mitigate their effects. Failure to do so can lead to significant consequences, missed opportunities, and setbacks.